movie Akira came out in 1988. It is an anime movie based off the popular Japanese manga created by Katsuhiro Otomo. It is about a bike gang leader named Kaneda whose close friend Tetsuo gets involved in a government secret project known as Akira. On his way to save Tetsuo, Kaneda runs into a group of anti-government activists, greedy politicians, irresponsible scientists, and a powerful military leader. This confrontation sparks off Tetsuo's supernatural powers, leading to bloody death, a coup attempt of the government, and a final battle in Tokyo. The movie is a blend of our two genres used in our class this semester, 80s films and post-apocalyptic novels. It takes place after World War III and was one of the first widely popular anime films to hit the United States. The anime and manga ask many metaphysical questions. Actions by scientists and other supernatural characters question the presence of free will. It has a focus on destiny. Destiny controls, and everything in the world is destined and predetermined.
Okay, let's ride! Yay! Damn it, come on!
An example from the anime is as follows. Imagine yourself if you were just one mere cell. At the time, your gender, hair, and skin color, etc., were already a fact as well as parts of your character. Whatever you do depends on your genes as well as your environment. Genes are only information, and your environment, too, to a certain extent, is too. And you do this, you do that, you write, construct something, etc., only as a result of this information. It's impossible to predict your future actions, but think about simpler life forms. For example, ants. Their behavior is mostly controlled by their genetic code, and it's almost possible to simulate an ant colony on a computer. So future events depend on information. But where does this information come from? As far as your hair color is concerned, from your parents. But the origin of it goes back to the beginning of time. Your parents too got their hair color from their parents, and so on. With natural laws and information, there is not enough to explain a predetermined future. There must be something else. To explain this, Miyako, a character in the film, speaks about a giant flow which the universe is in. The flow's energy originated at the birth of our universe, the Big Bang. And it's this kind of energy which can't be explained by natural laws and logical considerations. The flow can be compared to an ordinary river. And, for example, there's a boat on the river and you are sitting in it. The river flows due to natural laws and information, such information like the river's gradient. But of course the river comes from somewhere and leads to somewhere. Wherever your boat might float now, the place where it was before is still there, and so is the place where it's going to be. The point is that the flow should be seen in its entirety, and not just to look at the present, but to be aware of time, of the past, and the future. It looks at the universe as a singularity. Everything that has happened and will happen is predetermined.